students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class, and our today's topic is English for Today Unit 1 and 2 reading done plus some CW. Okay, so let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. Just look here. This is Unit 1 and the chapter's theme is Greetings and Introductions. Okay, lesson 1 to 3. At first, just say number A, look, listen and say. Just look here, this is a school. Outside the school, there are two students, one is a girl and one is a boy. The girl says at first that hello, I'm Shubha, what's your name? And the boy says, hi Shubha, I'm Rafi. Okay, that means the girl's name is Shubha and the boy's name is Rafi. Okay, now number B, just look here, listen and say. The girl says, how are you Rafi? Then Rafi says, I'm fine, thanks, and you? Then the girl says, fine, thanks, bye. And then the boy says bye. That means the girl's name is Shubha and the boy's name is Rafi. Okay. And now go to the next page. This is alphabet. Alphabet lesson 4 to 6. This is also Unit 1. So number A, look, listen and say. Just see here, there are some letters here. The first one is the capital letter and the second one is small letter. At first, this is A. If the first one is capital letter, then the small letter. So A for ant. This is the picture of an ant. A-N-T, ant. Now B. The first one is capital letter B, then small letter B. So B for bat. B-A-T, bat. Now C. C for cup. C-U-P, cup. Now D. D for doll. D-O-L-L, doll. That means this is the picture of a doll. Now E. E for egg. This is the picture of an egg. E-double-G, egg. Now number B. Just look here. Read and say. Trace and write. Just look here. There are two lines here. In the first line, some words are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 words are here. And this line is blank actually, but I have filled it out for you. Just look here, what you have to do. Here look, this is ant, A-N-T, ant. You also have to write ant here. Then this is B-A-T, bat. You also have to write here bat. Here cup, you have to write here cup. This is doll, you have to write here doll. This is egg and you have to write here egg. And now number C, look and say right. Just look, there are some pictures here and there are some gaps also here. There are some boxes also here beside each picture. Okay, you have to fill up these boxes. I have already done it for you. Just look here, this is the picture of an ant, so I have to write here ant. This is the picture of an egg and you have to write here egg. This is the picture of a doll, you have to write doll here. This is the picture of a bat, you have to write bat here. And this is the picture of a cup and you have to write cup here. Okay, now go to the next page. This is Unit 2 and the chapter's name is Numbers. Number A, just look here, look and say. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, just one ball is here, two balls are here, three balls are here and four balls are here. Now number B, say, trace and write. Just look here, this is 1 and after 1 there is a blank. There is a blank space and you have to write 1 here. And this is 2. After 2 also, this is the blank box. So you have to write here 2. After 3, there is another box and you have to write here 3, and after 4 there is a box and you have to write 4 here. Okay, these are the numbers actually. Now just look here again, there are 2 lines here. In the first line these numbers are written in words: ONE1, TWO2, THRW3, FOUR4. So in the next line you have to follow the previous line's words. That means you have to write 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. Now go to number C. Just look, there are some pictures here. Okay, cup, ball, cats and girls also. So in the next line just look here, just count and write the numbers. You have to count and write the numbers. This is cat. So just students look here, how many cats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 here. And this is ball. This is the picture of a ball. So how many ball? Only 1 ball is here. So I have to write the number 1. Now doll. How many dolls are here? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write here 3. Now cup. How many cups are here? 1, 2. So you have to write here 2. Okay, now go to the next page. Page number is 5. Alphabet, lesson 4 to 6. This is also unit 2. Number A also, just look, listen and say. There are some letters here. The first one is a capital letter and the second one is the small letter. At first, this is F. F for farmer. G for girl. H for hat. I for igloo. And the last one is J. J for jeep. Okay, this is the pictures. Now number B, just look here, read and say. Trace and write. Farmer, girl, hat, igloo, jeep. In the first line, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 words are here, and you have to write in the next line the same words. Okay, just below farmer, you have to write here farmer. Below girl, you have to write here girl. Hat, hat, igloo, igloo, jeep, and jeep. Now the last exercise for today is number C. Look and say. Write. Just look here, there are some pictures here and you have to write the name of these pictures. Beside these pictures there are some boxes. Okay, so you have to write their names in the boxes. At first look, this is igloo, this is hat, this is jeep, farmer and girl. Okay students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well. Allah Hafiz.